Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can enable 120 or 144 Hz refresh rate on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. In order to make sure that you always have 120 or 144 screen refresh rate, you need to open the settings, go to display settings over here, and finally choose display refresh rate. And over here by default you have this set to auto, so the device will decide by itself when it is the best option or moment to use the highest refresh rate possible, and if needed it will lower down to 60. And if you want to enable constant 120 or 144, then of course you need to simply select one of these options, and that's all you need to do. However, keep in mind that if you use constant 120 or 144 Hz refresh rate, then you use the battery the most. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!